Web usability. What is usability principle? User experience is defined by international standard for standardization as a person's perception and responses that result from the use or anticipated use of a product, system, or service. It is clear that the overall feeling and perception of a website or app comes from usability. Background. The web is not an art gallery, and before all the arts aficionados and web designers take umbrage, let's be clarified by stating that the web appearance is appreciated and requires usability. Keeping things simple and usable not only makes way for easier goal achievement, but it also leads to higher conversions rate. Website owners and designers put in a lot of effort and money to develop, promote, and maintain a website. Hence, it makes sense to invest in its usability. That is, the ease with which the user can achieve his or her goals within that website. For example, when a website makes use of pay, click, advertising, usability keeps improving the quality score and conversion, thus improving the overall customers acquisition cost. User interface. Good user interface. Website need to be designed with a target audience in mind. If your website is about function, you may opt to introduce more creative elements, which could perhaps not be the case if you're designing a corporate business to business website. At the same time, the same website will not appear the same when it is accessed by different devices and browsers. For example, mobile, desktop, and tablet. Since there are various devices operating system browser combination can resort to online testing tools such as browser shot to visualize how the same website will appear across a number of browsers as I mentioned earlier. Navigation usability. Poor navigations will always remain one of the top reasons why users leave a website. Pay attention to where you place your navigation elements, how you name them, and how you distinguish between primary, secondary, and utility navigations. Research point out that general users read websites in F-shaped pattern. Thus, it makes sense to put in all the important information, such as the logo, primary navigations on the left hand side. Search functionality. While some agree that navigation usability is more important than search usability, search usability not must not be underestimated. This is because users tend to resort to search if they cannot locate the contents they are looking for. Additionally, users will use the search functionality if they are looking for a particular product in e-commerce website. Content usability. Website owners need to be carefully balance graphic and content in the right combination depending on the target audience. As a matter of fact, content that is authentic and to the point increase the gross content of the website that contains it. Content should be clear, precise, and well formatted. At the same time, one might have a lot to share, and not all content fit in one page. Fifth, images support content. Images play a very important role in supporting content. It can provide a means to enable the user to quickly skim through an article. As the page goes, the image speaks 1,000 words, so it can be very handy to overcome the need to write long web articles. Conclusion: as a general rule, always remember to put yourself in your user's shoe before taking a decision relating to the website. The chances of you dipping with these shoes are indeed very low. Well, these are my 5 guidelines to improve website usability. What are yours? The source. Thank you.